We've got exciting stuff happening here at Presto Made, the makers of Presto Player. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most recent updates. These are features and changes that we've added to Presto Player, and there's a real big exciting one that a lot of people have been asking for, and we're thrilled to be able to release this for you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can always stay informed with the latest features that we're bringing to Presto Player. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is head over to our settings panel. Well, I'll click on where it says Presto Player here, and you'll notice an additional item here that says emails, and I'll get into that in a moment. But let's first go ahead and take a look at the settings. So the first thing underneath the integration tab, we have a new option for YouTube embeds right here for privacy enabled mode. All you have to do is toggle this on, and cookies will no longer be used to track user behavior when you have those YouTube embeds. Next, we have some user interface changes, but I first want to show you some new integrations here. And this is really the big feature that we've added in this most recent release, which is email capture. And so what this means is when you have a video where someone goes to watch it, you can have an email capture gate there. And I'm going to show you how it works. So we have a few options here for connecting to your email service. And when you expand the option here, it's just the same information that you would put in to integrate your email marketing service with any tool. So for ActiveCampaign, it's the URL and the API key, and the same goes right here for MailChimp. And we have a link here to get your API key, as well as MailerLite right here. Now, I have Fluent CRM installed, and you can see that, and that's why it says connected here, because that is connected all up. So now let me show you how this feature works. All of these settings for the email capture are in the presets for a video. So let me go into this video that I have right here already, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And here is the custom preset that I have. So you can create a new preset or modify an existing preset. So I'll go ahead and click on the edit key right here. First thing you're going to see is some minor UI changes. We used to have a tabbed system, but since we've added additional options here into the presets, we now have a different way of accessing the grouped presets. So if you wanted your controls, you click here and then it just slides out, and then you can go back. Now, the email capture features are obviously right here where it says email capture. So I'll click into it like that. So this is what the email capture is going to look like when you toggle it on. By default, it will be toggled off. So let's go ahead and toggle it on and take a look at the options we have. So first is, when do you want the email opt-in to display? So I have it set to start, but it could be start, any percentage of the video, and then end. It's entirely up to you. Allow skipping is this option right here. If you wanted to allow someone to skip having to enter their email, you could just go ahead and toggle this on or off. It's up to you as well. We have this default headline right here, but you can change it to whatever you want. Also have some text underneath it. You can see I just put this little bit here. You don't have to have anything underneath it. You could just have it be like that. As well as the play button text, you can change it here as well. This is what's really nice is with our integration. So you can see the only service I have is Fluent CRM set right here. So I'm going to choose Fluent CRM. And then right here, I get to choose the list. So it's going to pull down the different list names. And then right here, I can also enter a tag, and this is going to pull available tags that you've already set up in the tool that you're using. And then right here, we have rounded corners. Now, it's the rounded corners of the email opt-in. You see that there, how I have it all rounded off perfectly like that. Then what you'll want to do is click on Update Preset. And now whenever you have a video and you put it on this preset, it's going to go ahead and apply that email capture. Now here we are on a page where I put the video. And you can see where's my email capture. It's not showing. And that's because I'm logged in. You can tell by the black bar here that I'm logged in. So if a user's logged in, it's not going to stop them with the email capture because it's already assumed that you have their email. So what I'm going to need to do is open up an incognito window and go to the same URL. All right, so here I am on an incognito window. You can see it here in the top right, just like that. And this is the experience right here. So you can see I have my rounded corners. I've got my headline. I have my skip option right here if I just wanted to play it. So I can click right here and enter my email address. There's my email, and I'm going to go ahead and click on play. And you can see the email is captured and the video played. So if I do a refresh, you could see that now it knows that I have entered my email address, and so it's allowing me to play it. So all emails that are captured are going to go into your service of choice, and it's going to go into the emails tab under Presto Player. So here I am, Presto Player. I'm going to click on emails. And you can see there's my email, and here's the video where I put the email capture on, as well as the name of the preset. Yeah, that's a funny name for the preset. So this is where it's going to be, and there's an option to export these email addresses if your email service provider is not supported as of yet. If I go to settings and click on integrations and scroll down where it says other, I can click right here and it will download a CSV file of all of those email addresses. But since I'm using Fluent CRM, I can click right here and you can see one list and one contact. If I go right here to all contacts, you can see there it is. And when I click into that contact, you can see that the tag was applied video and it was added to the list that I selected. You know, email capture like this was one of the most requested features, and we're thrilled to have added this to Presto Player for you. And we know that you're going to be able to use it to grow your email list, which in turn helps you to grow your entire business. So there was also another enhancement in here. There's not much to show you. It's something called web encapsulation. So some people were experiencing some kind of styling conflicts, would be the colors that you chose for your player, and it might conflict with your theme or something along those lines. So we switched out how we have our player built to prevent pretty much all of the potential of those conflicts. So those all go away. It's called web encapsulations for you developers out there. I'm certainly no developer, so it doesn't mean a whole lot to me, but no conflicts of styling sounds beautiful to me. Well, that's what we have in this update. We can't wait to hear how you end up using it. Thank you for being a Presto Player customer. And if you're not using Presto Player, right now is the perfect time to go ahead and grab a license. Just go to prestoplayer.com. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to stay informed and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.